Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jynell Trail. So in today's video I'll be doing the fake nails and I'll be using the basket nails by Gaga. And I got these nails from Amazon. I'll leave the link in the description box below. They came in numbers from 0 to 9. So I'm just showing you guys what they look like. So now I'm gonna be sizing my nails or sizing the nails to my nails. Bear in mind, you guys, the order in which the nails come won't be the order in which they fit your nail. So you have to go through them in order to find the nails that fit your nail. Now I'm gonna gently push back my cuticles. Then I'm gonna use my nail file to gently file my fingernails. So now I'm going in with this nail polish remover and I'm gonna wipe the excess dust and oil from the fingernail. I'll be using this super glue on my nail, so what I do is just dab a little bit on it, then use the tip of the glue to spread it all over the fingernail. Then I'm gonna add the fake nails to my nails. So now I'm gonna go in with these nail polish, and they are from Deandra Nail Color and Pure Ice. So I'm gonna use these two colors on my fingernails. When polishing your fingernails, you want to make sure that you're doing this as neat as possible. That's how you're gonna get the professional look. Don't you guys just hate when this happens? I'm gonna do that one over, and then I'm gonna apply some glitter to my ring fingers. Sorry about that, you guys. I had no idea that it was blurry, but this is the extreme wear in the color Confetti Glaze, and I'll be using that as a base on my ring fingers. So in this container I have a glue and I have my glitter all placed out on a napkin, so it's easier for me to apply them to my fingernails. I keep saying glitter, but it's rhinestones, you guys, rhinestones. So what I'm doing now, guys, I'm just dipping the cuticle cleaner in the glue, spreading it on the fingernail, then I'm picking up the glitter, the rhinestones one by one and applying them to the glue on the nail. If you have reached this far in the video and you are enjoying the video, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. So I went ahead and I did both fingers. So now I'm gonna be applying this LA Color Top Coat Rapid Dry to my fingernails. So I went ahead and I added some cuticle oils to my cuticles, and this is a finished look, you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, drop a comment, and I'll catch you in my next video. Bye.